Toyota Land Cruiser FJ 2025. In 2025, Toyota is set to launch a brand new compact SUV, the Land Cruiser FJ. It'll be the smallest member of the legendary Land Cruiser family, but don't let the size fool you. This thing packs iconic styling, cutting-edge tech, and serious off-road chops, making it one of the most anticipated releases of the year. The legacy. The Land Cruiser name has stood for toughness and reliability for over 70 years. Rumors say this new FJ model is a spiritual successor to the old FJ Cruiser, which was a fan favorite until it got discontinued back in 2014. But unlike its predecessor, the new FJ will be more compact and versatile, targeting not just off-road enthusiasts but also city drivers who want to go anywhere daily ride. Design, retro meets modern. From the teasers and leaked images, the 2025 Land Cruiser FJ is rocking a retro-inspired look, nodding to classics like the FJ40. Think boxy shape, round headlights, and a bold grille, all calling back to Toyota's heritage. But it's not stuck in the past. You'll get modern touches like LED lighting, flared wheel arches, and an optional two-tone paint job for extra style. At around 14.7 feet long, that's 4.5 meters, the FJ stays nimble for city driving. But with its high ground clearance and body-on-frame construction, it's still built to handle the rough stuff like a true Land Cruiser. Interior and amp, tech inside, expect a no-nonsense, durable cabin designed for adventure. Tough, water-resistant materials will make cleanup a breeze after muddy trips. But it's not all about function, you'll get plenty of tech too. A touchscreen infotainment system, either 8 or 12.3 inches, depending on trim. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Toyota Safety Sense, with automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Plus, the spacious cargo area and fold-flat rear seats make it perfect for hauling gear on road trips. Off-road cred. Even though it's compact, the Land Cruiser FJ stays true to its roots. It's rumored to share the IMV0 platform with the Hilux Champ pickup, so durability won't be an issue. With four-wheel drive, solid ground clearance, and features like multi-terrain select and crawl control, this little SUV should tackle trails way above its weight class. Price and amp, competition. Early estimates put the US price between $35,000 and $45,000, way more affordable than the bigger Land Cruiser 250, which starts at $56,450. Key rivals include the Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Wrangler, and the GWM Tank 300. Final thoughts. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ could be the ultimate mix of size, style, and off-road capability. It's a modern take on Toyota's legacy, built tough but designed for everyday life. The launch might have shifted to 2026, but trust me, the wait'll be worth it. This could be the next big thing for adventurers and city drivers alike.